Okay, in this video I'm going to be picking a winner of the Caddx EOS2 camera. I did a review and giveaway about a week and a half ago. Go ahead and load up the comments. Got 276 comments. I picked one. Got one comment, one like. In Spades 101, let's just check his subscription. Okay, so there I am. Okay, so congratulations to InSpades 101. Just follow the instructions in the description. I just need to get some information so I can get in touch with you and get your shipping information, all that stuff. For everyone else, thanks a lot for participating in this giveaway. I, of course, have other ones going on right now. If you're not aware, just search through my recent videos and you'll see there's about 3 other giveaways going on right now. And I'll be selecting winners from those, so make sure you enter those if you haven't already done so. Again, thanks a lot for everyone for participating, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.